Good morning, students. Today you will study grammar and the topic future continuous tense. Students, I have taught you present tense 4 kinds, past tense it's 4 kinds, and future tense simple future we have studied. Simple future or future indefinite tense. Today we will study future continuous tense. Students, in this tense, to help you also are there, will be and shall be. Here the matter is, for which subject shall be used and for which subject will be used. Students, shall be used for I and we. If the subject is I or we, if other subject is there, then will be used. Students, in this tense, verb first form plus ing is used. In this tense, verb first form plus ing is used. Now see the rule of passive sentence. Passive sentence rule. Passive sentence, in passive sentence subject is written at first, then according to subject will be and shall be used, then verb first form plus ing is used, verb first form plus ing is used. First of all subject, then will be or shall be, then will be or shall be used, then verb first form plus, here I am writing, then verb first form plus ing is used, then object is used. This is the rule of passive sentence. Passive sentence of future continuous tense. Example you can take. Example, he will be reading a story. He will be reading. He will be reading a story. He will be reading a story. Second example you can say, I shall be taking tea. I shall be taking tea. These examples are of future continuous tense. I shall be taking tea. Tea here not seen. I shall be taking tea. This is the example of future continuous tense. First of all, subject is written, he. So then, according to subject will be written. Then verb first form plus ing, read plus ing reading. Then object is story written. In the second example, subject I, then shall be helping verb. Then take first form plus ing, verb first form plus ing. Then the object is there. Now let's see the rule of negative sentence. Rule of negative sentence. See the rule of negative sentence. Negative sentence. Rule of negative sentence. In negative sentence, first of all subject is written, then will or shall according to subject is written, then not is written, then be is written, then first of all subject, then not, then be is written, then verb first form plus ing is written, then object is written. This is the rule. Example you can take example. You will not be playing hockey. You will not be playing hockey. This is negative sentence of future continuous tense. This is the rule of interrogative sentence. Interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Rule of interrogative sentence. Students, I have told you that interrogative sentences are of two types. Started with helping verb and started with question word. In the sentence, start with helping verb. Rule first. First of all, will are silent written, then subject is written, then be is written, then verb plus form plus ing is written, then object is written, then question mark is written. This is the rule. Example you can take. Will you be watching? Will you be watching? Or another example, will you be reading? Will you be reading a novel? Will you be reading a novel? Question mark. This is the example of interrogative sentence of future continuous tense. Started with helping verb. Now see the second rule. Rule second. Rule second is there. Rule 2. In rule second, first of all, question word is written. Question word plus will or shall, then subject, then be, then verb plus form plus ing, then object is written, then question mark is written. This is the second rule. First of all, question word, then will or shall, regarding the subject, then be, then verb plus form plus ing, then object, then question mark. Example you can see. Will they be playing? Will they be playing cricket? Will they be playing cricket? So student, this is the interrogative sentence. No. Here you see question word are very not written here in example. Writing question word. When will they be playing? Okay. When. In example see. Second type of example. Second type of rule is question word. First of all, when. This question when. Then according to the rule, will or shall, will has been written. Then subject they is written. Then be is written. Then verb plus form plus ing playing is there. Then object cricket is there. When will they be playing cricket? In this way, students, in future continuous tense, will be and shall be there are two helping verbs, and verb plus form plus ing is used, and different rules: positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence rule you have to write in your prayer copy. Now see future future perfect tense. This is the rule of future continuous tense. Now see the rule of is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Students, in this tense two helping verbs are there. Helping verbs. In this tense two helping verbs are there. What two helping verbs are there? First is will and second is shall. Same rule is there that I and we. These two subjects are followed by shall have, and other subjects are followed by will have. Now see the rule of positive sentence. Positive sentence. Positive sentence rule, first of all subject is written. After subject will have or shall have is written. Will have or shall have is written. Then first of all subject is written. Then according to subject will have or shall have is written. Then verb third form is written. In this tense verb third form is in this tense. Verb third form V3. And then object is written. This is the rule. Example when take first of all subject, then will have or shall have, then verb third form, then object. Example you can see here. Example: he will have gone to school. He will have gone to school. This is future perfect tense. He will have gone to school. One more example you can take. We shall have won the match. We shall have won the match. This is the first sentence of future perfect tense. He will have gone to school. We shall have won the match. In this way, students, we will study future continuous tense, positive, negative, and interrogative rules, positive sentence, interrogative sentence, negative sentence rules, and we have also studied future perfect tense, positive sentence rules. In next video, I will teach you future perfect tense, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence rules. Thank you.